Hey, Chabo here, and if you've made it this far, if you're watching this video, that tells me a couple of things. First of all, you're interested in becoming a high-paid copywriter. Second, there's at least one more spot still available inside my brand new From Zero to Copywriting Hero training program. Otherwise, we would have already pulled down the video. So here's the deal. This program is perfect for you if you're looking to start earning an extra $1,000, $2,000, or even $5,000 a month as a successful freelance copywriter, even if you're a total beginner. Now, I don't know if this is a lot of money for you or if it's something you scoff at because all those other like Lamborghini gurus usually promise millions and millions of dollars overnight. But from what I've seen so far, most people would be pretty happy if they started earning an extra $1,000, $2,000, or even $5,000 per month as a copywriter. And this is totally achievable for most people. You don't have to be a professional writer, marketing genius, or English major to pull this off. And you don't need a fancy university degree for this either. In fact, some of the best copywriters I know of tend to be college dropouts, basically. And this is important. You don't even have to pay people stupid amounts of money just to let you in on some secret. So look, copywriting really is super valuable and super useful. It's a money skill that when you learn, you'll be able to influence others in more ways than you can imagine, and you'll also make boatloads of cash in the process. Basically, all you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and some type of word processing software. That's it. Then you just do your magic, hand your client a Google Doc with a few pages of text in it, and get paid hundreds or even thousands of dollars for it. Now, I don't know about you, but in my opinion, I think that's pretty amazing, and not many other professions allow you this type of freedom and flexibility. But in order to get there, you need the skills and knowledge to make it work. And more specifically, you need a step-by-step playbook that reveals exactly what you need to do to go from zero to high-paid copywriter fast without wasting months or even years struggling with low-paying gigs on Fiverr and other similar sites. So you need a step-by-step roadmap that works. You need a proven technique that most people don't even know about or talk about. And you need the support and accountability to make sure that you implement these things. Because you do have to implement these things to work. This isn't a pie-in-the-sky, silver bullet, magic pill solution. No one can do the work for you. Only you can. And if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme that promises you millions of dollars overnight, then you should probably close this video right now because this ain't it. So I'm gonna be honest with you. Freelance copywriting isn't always easy, and it's definitely not for everyone. So if you're just looking to make money fast without putting in the work, then I'm sorry, I can't help you. If you can't follow instructions, have zero motivation to learn new things, and you tend to ignore assignments given to you, this probably isn't the right fit for you. Not that that's bad or anything, but I'm looking for A players to join this program who are willing to put in the work and who support each other in getting to the next level. Kind of like an elite commando unit, like the Navy SEALs. Take that for example. Not everyone belongs there, but those who do truly become the best in the world and superstars in their respective fields. So if you're looking to achieve the same, if you're looking to quickly become a sought-after copywriter, a sought-after expert that clients are throwing money after, then you should definitely consider joining this program because I want you to experience the same freedom, peace of mind, and financial independence that successful copywriters can have. So here's how this training program will help you get there. There are basically 5 major steps that we'll cover live over the course of 5 weeks. Now, first of all, don't worry if you can't make it live to the calls for some reason. Everything will be recorded and uploaded to your private learning dashboard the following day, and you'll have forever lifetime access to these. So getting back to the curriculum, here's how it's going to look like. Basically, The first call is going to be about the fundamentals of copywriting and how you can get started from scratch. Getting clear on the fundamentals and how you as a freelance copywriter fit into the business ecosystem is pretty critical, especially if you want to do great work and attract high quality clients that are happy to pay you fat stacks of cash. So this is the first module. Then on the second call, we'll dive deeper into the art and science of copywriting and uncovering 5 proven yet often ignored principles that are universally responsible for how people act and how they do make decisions. And this is the number one goal of copywriting. So this part is going to include a lot of persuasion psychology, and it's generally based on cutting-edge scientific research. So you can quickly learn what's important, what isn't, and make sure to write text that converts right away. Next up, in the third call, we'll dive even deeper into the 3 very specific types of copywriting that I consider to be real money skills on the market today. So what this means is that the demand for these is currently huge, and companies are constantly looking for copywriters who specialize in one or even all 3 of these money skills, and they're willing to pay truckloads of cash for these services. You can believe that. This brings me to the fourth call, which I know for a fact will become a fan favorite. Why? Because it's going to be all about landing paying clients, even if you've never done this before. So look, after talking to a lot of people, this is the number one problem they're having. The number one. And in this module, I'm going to make sure to arm you with the very best strategies and techniques I know of to land paying clients, not in months, but within just a few short weeks. And do it without cold calling or sending any cold emails. Listen, this module and the powerful techniques mentioned inside, it's gonna pay for the entire tuition on its own. I know for a fact. And I know it's a bold claim, but it's true. It's super powerful and it's going to be a game changer for you. But to make sure that you really get everything you need to close as many new clients as possible, the final call is going to pull down the curtain behind my personal high-ticket selling system. Now, this is the same system that I've used and perfected over the years to routinely close 6, 7, and even 8-figure clients on the spot. So you'll get my entire frameworks, scripts, templates, and even objection handling techniques. Basically, everything you could ever need to land high-quality copywriting projects consistently. And in addition to the main 5 modules, you'll also get extra checklists, cheat sheets, and various copywriting resources to make your journey easier. Plus, of course, you'll gain exclusive access to a private Facebook group during these 5 weeks where you can ask questions, interact with other like-minded people, and form new friends and even business partners for life. So everything mentioned so far is included in your tuition when you join today. Again, this is going to be a very interactive process. I'll be taking your questions live, and you're going to be able to get access to me and other students inside the Facebook group during these 5 weeks together, basically. So look, I don't have some big fancy pitch for this, okay? If you've made it this far, then there's at least one more space available for you to claim, but spots are filling up quite quickly, and we'll be starting our first call sometime next week, and then we'll have another call every 7 days until the end of the program. Again, don't worry if you can't make it live to the calls for some reason. You'll get lifetime access to every single recording the following day. So if this is something you're interested in, we'd definitely love to have you. So normally my students and clients pay around $350 per hour just to work with me. But since this is going to be a small interactive training where you'll also have a role in shaping the curriculum with me, I'm able to keep the price down to just $297. But this price only applies if you join by this Friday, because after that I'm pulling the program off the market, and when I launch it again sometime next year, it's gonna cost $497. So if you're considering joining, now's the best time because you're getting the best deal ever. Plus, if you lock in your spot right now, you'll get every single future update I'm planning to add to the course for free because you're gonna have lifetime access to it. All you need to do right now is to just fill out your details at the bottom of this page to complete your enrollment. Oh, and by the way, there's also a 14-day conditional money-back guarantee, so you can give this an honest shot, risk-free. Your new life as a successful freelance copywriter awaits, my friend. I'd love to show you the same methods that I've used to get where I am today in my career, and I want to help you do this too. Now, there are a lot of things that I can help you achieve, but there's one thing I cannot do for you. I can't click that button for you. I can't finish your enrollment. Only you can do that. So if you're interested, go ahead, fill in your details below, and I'll see you inside.